Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, the thumbnail, and this gorgeous look right here, you already know what look I'm creating today. So this is the butterfly eye tutorial. This inspo came from RaggedyRoyal and Beats by Deb. So I'm kind of following two different tutorials at this moment, or throughout this video basically. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching this video until the end. Also make sure you give this video a like if you like it. That really helps out my channel a lot. And also leave comments down below of any videos or any looks y'all want me to create. That being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is what it's looking like. I just finished doing my face, so now I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyes. I am going to do a voiceover on this video because I want to focus on what I'm doing and make sure it's like super perfect. If I talk, it's probably going to take me longer, so I'm just going to focus on my eyes, focus on creating this look, and then I'll do a voiceover and talk to y'all throughout the video, and I'll see y'all once I'm done with my eyes. I am using two eyeshadow palettes from Play and Makeup by Yolanda. The first one is the Beats by Deb, the Beat Down palette, and then the second palette is the Jamrock palette from Play and Makeup by Yolanda. And I'm also using my P. Louise eyeshadow base to set my lid and prep my lid for eyeshadow. Color that I am using is from the Beats by Deb Beat Down palette. It is the Lucid Dream. So this is like the deepest blue that is in the palette, and you see me packing it in the outer crease. And then I'm going to take a clean, more tapered brush to blend it out to make sure there's no harsh lines and everything like that. Now, I'm going to say this now. I did start off with the wrong color. I was actually supposed to start off with purple and not blue. As you're going to see, it's going to be kind of hard for me to keep my blue shown through the other colors, which made it super difficult, but it still turned out right. But I was supposed to start with purple, and I actually started with blue. And then the next color that I'm going to be using is my Slime, also from the Beats by Deb palette, and I am just using that around the blue that I already placed there. So I'm actually just tapping it onto the eye, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. As you can tell, I feel like this green started to like take over my blue, so you'll see me throughout the video tapping in more blue. And I also tried to add yellow at this point, but I feel like the yellow just wasn't coming through because of the blue and the green. So I actually waited until the end of the video to add the yellow, and it actually popped a little bit more. So now I'm using Summer Nights, and this is the purple shade I was supposed to use, the first shade I was supposed to use, and I'm just packing that on right there. To cut my crease, I'm using the same P. Louise eyeshadow base that I used to set my eyes, and I did not wipe off any excess product or eyeshadow when I cut my crease today. I don't know, I just really honestly just didn't feel like it, and I still feel like it came out the way that I wanted it to come out. So now I'm going into the Jamrock palette. I am using this purple shade. It's a lighter purple, and it's called Champion. And I'm just using that to put on where I just cut the crease. And then I'm going to go back in. I'm not adding any more product onto the brush that I used the other darker purple with. I'm just going to make sure I blend it in. But I didn't add any more product. I just used the excess product that was on the brush. And as you see me put more blue because my blue was disappearing just completely. And now I'm going in with this pink from the Beat Down palette. I believe it's called Mean Girl. And I'm just putting that on the inner crease. So starting at the bottom of the eye, I did start out with blue. I don't know why I kept doing that to myself, because I don't even think I realized until after I applied this blue that I should have started with purple. So I didn't try to add the green around it, but the green just was not popping. I don't know. It did in the end, but it wasn't at first. So now I'm going in with the purple in the center because I felt like it was missing something, which it was missing the purple shade. So I went ahead and went in with the purple. Then I went back around with the blue, and then I went back in with the green. And I feel like it showed up a little bit more because it was like more defined, I guess. And then I'm going in with the yellow that I told you guys about before, and then I went around everything with the yellow. And I think that made it pop. The yellow kind of somewhat blended in with the green, so you can see some tones of yellow and some of green. And I also went on my bottom waterline with a white liner, and then I also added the pink eyeshadow in the inner corners. And now you see me using that paint kit that I just showed, I bought from Amazon to draw on. I'm pretty much just following the shape of the eyeshadow that I just did, and I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. You pretty much can shape the butterfly exactly how you want. If you want it more sharp or if you want it more rounded, you can pretty much shape it the way that you want. I'm using paint because I feel like all of my eyeliner was just too dry and it would probably showed up cracked, so that's why I did not want to use my my eyeliner. It would have showed up cracked. Now I'm going back in with the yellow because I feel like it needed more yellow, and drawing the lines was pretty easy. I think this was the easiest part of this whole look, is just drawing those lines. And then I'm using the white color from that paint kit palette from Amazon to draw on the dots. And I'm using this brush. This is from Beats by Deb. It's her detail angle brush. I don't know. I think this was called. I bought it last year. And I'm just using that to draw on the dots. I feel like I could have added some more dots, especially on the inner lines, but it still turned out. So now I'm actually adding in my slime at the bottom. And I'm decided to go ahead and use a pink lip. This is the NYX. I don't know the shade of this lipstick, honestly. But I just felt like it went with the vibes. Feeling myself. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. I know I do, because I really did a good job. I know there are some spots where I'm like, okay, I kind of messed up, but for my first time trying this, I did an amazing job. I give myself a 10 out of 10 because a year ago I probably wouldn't have been able to pull this off. And I did it, so I'm super, super proud of myself. If you like this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know if any looks y'all want to see from me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you have the post notifications turned on also, you don't miss when I upload videos throughout this whole Vlogtober. That's 31 videos in October. You don't want to miss it, so make sure you have the notifications turned on, and I will see y'all in my next one.